Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Drivers. Guys, I know today we are meeting after a long time. So I'm sorry for the delay in videos. Let's get let's get started with today's topic, that is dual access and blended access in Tableau. So I'll make you walk through with the scenario first. Let's say there is one scenario where you need to showcase two measures in a single chart. How you can do this? Basically, this we can do with the help of a dual axis. And what dual axis exactly do is, dual axis is used to compare two measures in a single chart where we have both measures sharing different scale. So let me walk you through with the quick example here. Just file this. Let's say we have subcategory with us. I'm dragging it here and showcasing you the sales based on subcategory. Sales. This is our sales based on subcategory. Now, apart from sales, I want to show the profit as well. What I'll do is I'll just simply drag and drop the profit next to the sum of sales. Now you can see you have two different sections in this visualization. One is for the sales and another one is for the profit. In this chart, one scale we have where we have the sales, and these all are the subcategories associated with the sales, and this is the profit, and we have this profit based on all the subcategories. Now, instead of having these two different scale, these two segments in the charts and all, I just want a single chart that will showcase me the sales and profit in it. What we can do is we can just go to this second field which we have added into the row pane, click on this drop down here and click on this dual axis. Now you can see you have two different colors. One blue is for the profit and orange is for the sales. And let me just do the entire view. This is your blue is indicating your profit and orange is indicating your sales. Let me just select the correct marks for this. So this is for the profit. I'll pick up the line. This is a profit line, and this is for the sales. Pick up the line again. Let's say bar. Okay. And color is fine. Let me change the color as well. Color orange is fine. Sales in this color. Now you can see there are two different scales. One is for the profit, another is for the sales. So your profit is coming in this blue line. Here you can see how much profit is you are getting on basis on the category, and sales is showing on your bars. Let me just do the labeling on these things. And now what if, let me just remove the labeling first. If you see, the sales scale is here starting with 0, 100k, 200k, and this doesn't seems to be symmetrical with the profit axis. What we can do is we can just click on the right click. We can just right click here on this axis and click on the synchronize axis. With this, it will showcase you the chart in a much better way, and it will provide you the better visibility of the chart. And if you do the full screen, so now you can see this much is your sales and this is your profit. Once again, I think now it's perfect. So this is your sales 334761, and this is your profit. Now, if you want to see the category which has the highest profit, category which is having the highest profit is this 89, or oh sorry, and the category which is having the highest profit is this one, yes, 89567. And category which is having the lowest profit is -35, which is your table. And the category which is having the highest sales is this 661850, and profit is 89567. This is about your dual axis. I hope you like this. This is about your dual axis. I hope you are clear with the concept. You can do some formatting as well if you need here. So I'll just right click here, as we have labels here. So I think we don't need the axis. We can just click uncheck the show header here. Then this is your dual axis chart, and you can do the rest of the formatting. Now the next one is blended axis. So basically blended axis is also called as your combined axis chart. Blended axis is used to compare two measured values against the same axis. How it is so let me create the blended axis chart first. Let's say you have the subcategory again, and I'm taking the sales again. Now you can see sales is arranged on the basis of the subcategory here, and this is the sales axis where we have 0k, 100k, 200k. Now if I want to see the profit as well, what I'll do is I'll just pick up the profit from here and simply drag it on the sales axis. So bring your mouse pointer here, you can see the another scale which is getting added up along with your sales axis. Now this is your blended axis chart, which is showing you the profit based on profit and sales. Let me just revert it like this. You can see for chairs we have this much of profit, this is the sales. For phone, this much of profit, this is the sales, and likewise. Here you can see you have only one axis, and this axis is showing you both the sales and profit. But in dual axis, you have two different axes. Check. Header here in dual axis, you have the two different axes, and but in blended axis there is one common axis which is showing you both the sales as well as the profit. Sometimes in the interviewer might ask what is the difference between dual axis and the blended axis chart. So the very common and very easy to remember difference is, in dual axis we have the two different axes, and in blended axis we have single axis that showcase you, that compares two or more values. So this is about your dual axis and blended axis. I hope I'm clear with this. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me, and thank you for your time. Thanks, bye bye, and have a good day.